So let's begin with transcendence. Coming into your centeredness of being. And beginning that miracle method of divine alignment. If you wish to visualize a pillar of light extending beyond your crown chakra, or a pillar of light descending through your entire body. Begin with your pillar of light as a focus to ignite transcendence. And so as you attune to your higher vibration, begin to breathe and connect with your higher vibration. That's it. It immediately allows you to relax, to let go, to appreciate the beauty of the love that lies within light so very boundlessly and abundantly. I see smiles, heads that are nodding, yes, and affirmation and acknowledgement. And so as you continue to lift thine eye unto the light, to lift and focus thine inner eye, thine inner awareness into the radiance of light. And you breathe with that light. And you begin to draw light through your pillar of light into your heart of hearts. It is here that the most important miracle begins to take place. And this is your holy communion with your own stream of light. And so you begin the deepening, the union with your light. Just breathing it in, allowing you to receive a bathing of illumination. As radiance begins to surround you, to envelop you, as your pillar of light serves as a channel through which the illumination of your master soul can be drawn nigh, can be received into the crown chakra, the third eye, the heart, the solar plexus, the second chakra, and ultimately the first chakra, all the way down and through the body. And so as I bring forth the Shakti of the Divine Mother, this is like the Divine Mother feeding her child. And so your pillar of light allows you to connect with the Divine Mother, connect with the Divine Father, the great Alpha and Omega of creation. And this allows you to receive the manna of the divine, the illumination of the divine, because the divine wishes to nurture and feed the human soul wishes to nurture and feed every single human being, man, woman, and child on this planet. And so imagine, if you will, that the divine is outpouring, that your heart, your soul, your body might receive the light that heals, that awakens, that illumines, that guides, that bestows love and wisdom upon you. And lifting thine eye unto the light. Lifting thine awareness into the freedom of divine connection. Opening thine heart to the outpouring of divine light into your being. Breathing it in and beginning your personal deepening of your communion with your light. And commune. Deepen, receive, open, open. And now letting go to meditate, to witness the breath, to witness your light, to use your breath to commune and unify with your light. O holiness of the pillar of light, the instrument of divine connection. We, the masters of the great hierarchy, the spiritual guardians and elders of humanity and this beautiful, extraordinary planet, are ever aligned in our amplification of your pillar of light, your longing for divine union, your desire to commune and know your own light, for through your knowledge of yourself as light, so too do you realize your origin in the divine. And it is there that your realization of your birthright truly begins its inflow into every aspect of your life. And holding thine eye steady in your light. And your awareness and the enveloping illumination of your pillar of light. Align, let go, transcend.